doesn't love a good NeeDoh? These are the Fuzz balls. I have a pink one here, and then I have a purple one here. Looks like your classic stress ball. Went on a spa retreat. So velvety, plush, and irresistibly squishy. It is smaller than a baseball, basically, with a unique texture that's both smoothing and, you know what, a little oddly satisfying. Ultra fuzzy. So nice. Slow rise, cloud-like squeeze. Great for fidgeting, stress relief, or physical therapy with your hand. Doesn't stick, doesn't squeak, doesn't leave a residue. These are simple, they are calming, and they're kind of addictive in that, you know, best kind of way. So whether it's for a kid, a teen, or an adult who just needs support to decompress, this fuzzy little sphere earns a permanent spot on the desk or in your hand or in your car or in your bag. Highly recommend these Fuzz Ball NeeDohs.